Hello everyone, I'm Divya and this video will be about my morning and nighttime skincare routine. But before we begin that, I am towel drying my hair because I don't like to use a hair dryer during the summers as it damages your hair. So I have towel dried my hair and now I will let it air dry. I am beginning with my Vaseline Body Lotion in the pink variant. I have taken it on my hands and now I am massaging it all over my face. I really like this body lotion because it is very lightweight and it doesn't make my skin feel oily or greasy. It gets easily absorbed because of its runny consistency and it really suits my skin. I am taking a little more of it and I will use the same application process. Massaging it all over my face, on my forehead, on my cheeks, around the corners of my mouth. I don't know about other people, but I definitely feel some dryness around the corners of my mouth, so I make sure that I apply some moisturizer around there as well. I am now using tapping motions to make sure that everything gets absorbed into the skin seamlessly. Now I'm using my Swiss Beauty Lip Primer Mask. I will take a very tiny amount of it because this is the daytime and I don't want my lips to feel heavy or oily, so I will take a very small amount of it and apply it properly over my lips. I really like this lip mask because it keeps my lips hydrated for a very long period of time and I don't feel the need to apply a lip balm again and again during the day. Mumming my lips together, and this is how my face was looking, my lips were looking after the application. Now to give my face some life and my lips some color, I am adding a tinted lip balm. This one is from Mars in the variant Watermelon and I'm applying it on the centers of my lips to give it that ombre Korean lips effect. And this is how my face was looking after this routine. I want you to see my skin carefully and I will be coming closer to the camera to show my skin to you even more closely. Even though my skin has been behaving quite well these days and I don't have a lot of acne or acne marks on my skin at the moment, I do have open pores and textured skin. So I want you to see that it is completely normal to have textured skin or open pores, and most of the people have it. Again, some clips with my juicy lips which are just looking amazing. I don't know why, but I just felt like showing you my normal basic घर का oversized t-shirt वाला outfit. So that is how my outfit was looking and I was looking after my skincare. I was posing just for the sake of this video near my windows, so here you can see the clips and enjoy. Now because I completely forgot to apply body lotion on my hands, I am going in with my Vaseline Body Lotion in the yellow variant. I have taken it on my hands and now spreading it all over my arms. I don't feel the need to apply it on my legs, just applying it on my hands does it for me. I am massaging it properly also at the back of my hands in this particular motion. And I'm done. So this is how my face was looking, my skin was looking after my morning skincare routine. Again, you can see some more clips to see my skin in action. Now let's move ahead in time, and I have taken some clips at around 11 am. So this was after a gap of 3 hours from my morning skincare. Now I'm using my sunscreen which is from Minimalist. I'm dotting it all over my face evenly and then I will start massaging it with my fingers. I used to never apply a sunscreen before, but recently I got this sunscreen for free and I have started using it and I am quite liking it. It moisturizes my skin but doesn't make it feel oily or greasy, and it also doesn't leave a white cast. So I will apply it properly and massage it on my forehead, my cheeks, around the corners of my mouth and also on my eyelids and the perimeters of my face. The reason why I am applying it after 3 hours is because I don't feel like slapping so many products just in one time. I feel like that you don't need to use 5-6 products in one go, and if you still feel the need to do so, then probably you haven't found the right products for you. So once massaging it properly, this is how my skin was looking after the application. You can see that it is glowing, but my skin still doesn't look oily or greasy, and also there is no white cast, which is why I really like the sunscreen. Now let's move on to my nighttime skincare routine, and this is how my face was looking. Obviously a little bit dry because I had just washed my face and I used my Nivea Milk Delights face wash to do so. Now I'm using Minimalist Serum Niacinamide at 10%. I am pouring it all over my face with this dropper, and then I will start massaging it over my face. Please make sure that once you have poured it all over your face, quickly start massaging it because it is very runny, so it will start dripping off your face and it will fall off. So I am quickly massaging it around my forehead, on my cheeks, around the corners of my mouth, on my under eyes, and everywhere else on my face. I know I have used a generous amount of it, but that is because I will not be using any other serum after this. I don't like to use so many serums in one go. I think just one does it for me. So I'm using it for both purposes, to treat my skin issues and also for moisturization. Now I'm using my same lip primer mask, which is from Swiss Beauty, but this time I will be applying a generous amount of it because it will be the night time and I want my lips to feel hydrated all throughout the night up until the next day. Again, massaging for one last time to make sure that no excess serum is left on my face, otherwise it will give me a white cast. So make sure that the serum is completely seeped into the skin. To give my lips and my face again some life and color back, I am using this tinted lip balm from Mars and applying it just on the centers of my lips. Now this is how my Korean lips were looking, and this is how my skin was looking after my nighttime skincare routine. My lips look juicy and my skin feels hydrated. The serum is also given a glow to my skin, and the moisturization it gives is just enough for my oily skin. I know that people with dry or normal skin will have to use something else for better moisturization. So that was my morning and nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and relaxing. In case you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more such content. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye.